make me sneeze. It make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball? A swing? A hat? Chew. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I can snap, sneak, chew, sneeze. Oh no. What if pig make me sneeze? Chew. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but if pig do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can be friends. Then we miss be ever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It is too late. Good day. Goodbye. Gerald, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pig made me sneeze. And pig is pig. Pig is also my best friend. Wait. Now cat make me sneeze. I do not think pig make you sneeze. I do not think cat make you sneeze. I think you have cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Pig, good news. I have cold. Good for you.
Good for you.